Hello friends, this is Pradeep from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to do mail merge. I'm creating this video on a special request from my BNI friends who have to type 40 letters to 40 invitees. If I talk about mail merge, it's a feature of Microsoft Word in which one letter or one email can be sent to multiple recipients with their personalized details. Let's talk about a scenario that this is the template of a letter which is to be sent to 40 invitees. Now, I would like this letter to be printed with the personal details of all the invitees. Now, I have a sample data created in Excel which has got first name, last name, category, company, and other details. I want this letter to be printed with these details for every person. Now, in order to do that, I have a feature in PowerPoint that talks about mail merge. Let's see how do we do mail merge. In order to do mail merge, you have to initially perform certain simple steps. The first step is open the letter and make sure that your letter is in this format. Now, after that, you have to go to Mailings tab and select the option that says Start Mail Merge. In that menu, you will have to select the last option that says Step by Step MailMerge Wizard. When you click on that, on the right hand side, a pane comes, which is a mail merge pane. In this, we have several options. Let me go ahead with the first option, which says Letters. And now I go ahead and click on the option that says Starting Document. Now in this, it is asking me what kind of document do I want to work on. Is it the current document, or should I go ahead with the template, or should I go ahead with any of the existing document which is not open as of now? So I can click on open to open any document which is not currently selected. Now since I've already created a template, I would like to go ahead with the first option that says use the current document. And then I click on select recipient. Then I have the option use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, or type a new list. Now if you remember people, I already have created an Excel file which has got the details that needs to be added with this template. So I'll now click on browse and go ahead and select that file. That file is placed on the desktop with the name sample data. So I click on it and I click open. Now you will see that my Excel file which has the document is getting attached, and the data which I have stored in that file is in sheet 1. So I'll select sheet 1 and I click OK. After doing that, it gives me the list of all the names of attendees who needs to be added in that database or who needs to be kept in that database. So just in case if I have to perform any simple operations like sort, filter, duplicate, or recipients or validate addresses, I can do it over here. But considering that my database is the perfect database which does not require any of these operations to be performed, I'll simply go ahead and click OK. With this step, you're confirming that the database that you have added has got connected to this template. Now it says write your letter. Now here I'd like to add the details from that Excel file to this template. So what I'll do, I'll select the first header that says type the name of the guest, and I'll go ahead and select the tag that says first name. Now you will see that first name tag has got added. I'll give a space and now I add the last name. Now it is asking me for address line 1, address line 2, and address line 3. So what I'll do now is I'll select the address and go to insert merge field and select address. Similarly, I'll do the same thing with the other address lines and go to insert merge field, address 2. Similarly, I'll go ahead and select the third address line and select merge field, address 3. Now here it requires the name of the guest once again. So I'll select that portion the way we did it earlier and I'll go ahead and select insert merge field and select first name space last name. Within the document also we can add the tags like this. It is talking about the profession of the guest. So here I'll select the category and the phone number of the guest. So I'll select the phone number from the tag that says mobile number. Now with this people, you will see that all the relevant tags have been added to this template. Now, what needs to be done is I just want to review whether have I added the data properly. In order to do that, I'll select preview your letters. Now you will see all those tags have been replaced by Farhan Sadiq, address 1, second address 1, third address 1, and I can see whether does it also pick up the data, rest of the data from my database. Yes, it does. Now we are left with one more step, that is to print this data. In order to do that, I'll select the option that says complete the merge and I'll select print. Now here people, you will see that a command will be sent to the printer, and the moment I click OK, it is going to print these many number of documents. So with this, you are able to print all 40 invitations with just one single document. For this, all you need is the complete document, the complete template, along with the database with the way I have showed it to you. Hope you've got to learn something with this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how do we print envelope. But just to let you know, printing the envelope is very much similar to the procedure that we have done. But in that case, we just need to do some modifications to the page settings and we're all set. So before we go ahead, this is once again Pradeep from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions. Thank you very much.